A secret that can help you defy the future. Muster all your strength. For it's time for the secret to unveil. Operators are words or symbols that impact the result in a certain manner. They approach the data in a certain manner and filter the results accordingly. There are several types of operators, depending upon how they impact the results. Logical operators derive a logical output depending on which one you choose. Arithmetic operators help process the data arithmetically. Comparison operators are the killer dudes that help compare the records. Now that's how operators work in SQL. The most important ones are uncovered here. Here's a little tip. Getting your head around logical operators can save you a ton of time. And there are just 3 of them: and, or, not. All of them are used with where. So all you gotta do is put in the right one in the right place. And lets you combine 2 conditions in the same query, and lets you access records that satisfy both the conditions. However, if you wish to access records that fulfill either condition, then use or. To kick the odd man out, use not. So that's all that's there to know about these 3 monsters. Play with them and they'll build your SQL career. What do arithmetic operators do? You know 2 plus 2 is 4, but imagine adding up data for 600 plus records. You can add up salaries and bonuses for thousands of employees. Or even deduct taxes. Arithmetic operators let you do all of that in a jiffy. All you need to do is use the right operator at the right time. The battle intensifies. Let's move on. Put on your best armor. Let's begin the battle. Here's how it goes. Like lets you filter the records that fulfill a certain parameter. Likewise, not like filters those that do not fulfill a certain parameter. So if you want the names of all students, which contains a then like can be of use. Similarly, by using not like, you can extract names that don't contain a. Let's say you want to list down all employees who've worked in Apple, me and IBM. How do you do that? It's simple. All you need to do is use the in operator. Just hit select from employees where employee name in Apple, me, IBM. Conversely, you can use not in to exclude those very records. Let's march back. Time to recapture. There's a long story to narrate. Companies have a ton of slabs. They want to know about those who earn a certain amount, those who spend a certain amount, those who buy more frequently, and the list goes on and on. Just imagine how crazy it could be to do this without human-like wordings. SQL lets you choose data of a specific range and also lets you exclude it. So, you can choose records of cricketers aged between 35 and 38 by using between. And also exclude them by using not between. It's that easy. Time to call it a day. Get a hot cup of coffee and let's start something new.